Okay. Today we're going to try Vietnamese snacks.
Vietnam.
Only 3 Vietnamese snacks.
Oh.
The first one is plum.
Plumbing.
Oh my man Deo Kia. Looks like this. Like that.
No.
So it's like preserved plums. I don't know how to open this. Let me open it. It's hard to open.
It's the lid.
Okay.
It's that one.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Okay.
Oh.
Use forks.
Yeah. Fruits.
Okay. You couldn't get the fork. So get one.
You get one first.
One for you, Jorene. Come on. Get one.
Get one.
One. Yeah.
You get one. Yeah. Yeah.
Wow. Show the camera. You also.
Oh.
Show the camera. Plum. Nice. Okay. Count of 3. You eat it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. How is it?
Good. Good.
Okay. Good. Yummy. Look at your cheek. Chew. Chew. Yummy. Okay. Chew.
The seed.
There's okay. It has seed.
Yeah.
It's not seedless.
It's not.
Oh, okay. Wait.
Pop. Is this something you spit it out in the bowl?
Okay.
Let's
Spit it on the bowl. Yeah.
I can't make spit.
Yeah, but there's seed, so you have to spit the seed out.
Clean all the.
Yummy.
There.
Finish it so that you can try a different one.
The seed. Kind of hard to clean it.
So what does it taste like?
Seed tastes bad.
No, what does that thing, the whole thing taste like?
Good.
Tastes like what?
I didn't taste anything like it before.
Okay, how about you, Jorene?
Well,
Oh, that's just the skin. Okay, so did you like it?
when did you eat the seed? No.
Did you like it?
Mm-mm.
What does it taste like?
Good.
Tastes like what? Grapes, strawberries.
Oh, Mama. Tastes like strawberries. Tastes like strawberries. It tastes like a gummy. It tastes like a gummy.
Oh, okay.
It tastes like gummy. It tastes like strawberry.
Okay.
It tastes
Okay.
like strawberry.
Next one
gummies.
is what do you call this? It says like this. This is so I don't know how to read this one. Rong Vang Viet Hong Ban Dan. Yeah. I don't know how to read this one. So it has things like that, and when you open it, it's like this.
Chocolate.
No, it's not. Okay. No. Give me that. I'll show you them first. Okay, so it has a lot of little boxes inside. And when you open those little boxes, okay, in the little box it says green beans. Like this. green beans.
Green beans. Green
And then
another one.
when you open this little thing here, little
it's
foil,
wrapper.
little squares. Okay. So it says green beans on the packaging, and this is what it looks like. Okay. So try it. Okay.
Tastes like butter.
Oh, tastes
Mama.
like butter. What else?
The aftertaste tastes like beans.
Mm.
That's why it's called green beans.
What else?
The first taste was like pulverized.
Ah, okay. Yeah, it's a little similar to our own product. Okay.
Go get that.
Yes. And there are a lot of boxes inside, and that's 2 layers, so 4 by 4, 12, 24 boxes inside. Oops. Okay. So that's 4, 12, I don't know, yeah, 24 boxes. 24 boxes inside. So very cute packaging, very cute.
And yummy.
Yes. Next one is this one. It's I tried Google translating it. It said gingerbread cake, but when you look at it, it's more like a cookie.
Biscuits.
Yeah, like cookies. Okay. So
How do you open?
I don't know how to read this. It says ban cha ngok min dak san dan tok. Okay. I'm just reading it according to English pronunciation. Okay, I'll touch it.
Having a hard time, Mama.
Are you okay? I can't open it.
Use scissors. Scissors! Stop shouting. I probably slow. I probably do that. I probably do that.
Okay, smell first. What does it smell like?
Oh, it smells like vegetables. It smells weird.
Does it taste? Does it smell good?
Yeah, it smells a little good. A little weird.
Okay, so 1 cookie for you, Jorene. 1 cookie for you, Maya. This is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. You wait. This is what it looks like. There's some. There seems to be some peanuts in the middle.
Stop eating it.
Peanuts and some green things. Probably
Looks like
chives.
beans.
Probably chives. Okay, so can't wait to eat it. Okay. You can eat it.
Ow! Keeps trying to eat.
Okay, eat it.
Ow! Ow! We don't have taste
It's a little hard.
because I eat a big ice cream and my tooth fell out.
No, you still have your complete set of teeth.
Many
Eat.
and
Show your teeth. See, it's still complete.
here.
No,
No.
it hasn't come out yet.
Huh? I eat a big ice cream and my tooth fell out here.
No,
Right here.
they were just teasing you. So,
No, they're not teasing me.
okay. So what does it taste like?
Ate it. Mama,
What does it taste like?
crunchy because Mama, I can't fish corn. Hello.
What does it taste like?
Tastes like a vegetable, maybe. Oh,
How about you, Jorene? What does it taste like?
Sorry. Great.
Huh?
Great.
I think you still have the aftertaste for the plum. This is a different taste. Try again. Keep chewing.
Oh, it tastes like a vegetable.
Doesn't.
And it smells like a vegetable.
I taste a combination of peanuts and ginger.
That's why it's called gingerbread cake. And it's kind of good.
And some herbs.
What's herbs? No, I don't like this.
You don't like it?
Yeah, me too.
Okay, give it. No. Give it.
I don't like it. I don't like it too.
Okay, so among those three, which one did you like best?
This one.
This one?
Yeah, that one. The plum and that one.
You like this best?
Yeah, that one is first. That one and that one. That one and
And
that
then this one is second?
Yeah. Yes, that one is yummy and that one is yummy.
Okay.
But we don't like that one. Yes, because it's ewy.
This one is eerie?
Yes.
Yucky?
Yes, very yucky. I'm going to get some more also. I'm going to get some more. This half of this. Okay.
Maya, ay.